How to download Tumblr in your mobile phone. If you want to use the Tumblr application and don't know how to download it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your mobile phone, just like this, and open it. After opening it, tap onto the search button at the bottom, select it, then tap onto the search bar right here and type Tumblr, just like this, and open it. Then here you can find the Tumblr just right here, select it. Now simply to download it, tap onto the get button just right here, select it. Now simply confirm that you want to install this app, just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open the app, simply tap on to open. You can also find this app on your home screen, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Tumblr app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.